Write a ladder diagram and simulate a circuit for the process control application in which paint spray has to run for 40 seconds when the count reaches the value 25. The meaning of this question is there is a paint spray machine. It should turn on for 40 seconds. But the paint spray machine will turn on after 25 seconds. So we should give a time delay of 25 seconds. After 25 seconds, paint spray will be turned on and it will be in on condition for 40 seconds. After that, the paint spray must be turned off. So this is the question. For this, we should write a ladder diagram. Now I'll show you how to write the ladder diagram. Click on File, click on New File, and to select the Pico controller, click on the first option and the left side there is a plus button. Click on the plus button and select the last but one controller, that is 1760L12BWB BWB SERA. This device you have to select. Click and drag and drop here. So after this, double click on this, and now we have to select the input. Click on the first input, drag and drop here. This is input, and to turn on the paint spray machine we need to give 25 seconds time delay. So for that, click on time delay, drag and drop here, double click on this, and mark it is timer 1, and set the timing. Clicking on parameters, set the timing to 25 seconds. 25 seconds. So in order to keep this in a feedback path, once again drag and drop the same timer here, T01 timer. Now you connect the output, that is paint spray machine here, and give the name as paint spray machine. Paint spray machine, and the address is Q01, and bring the same output in the feedback path, paint spray machine. So this machine has to run for 40 seconds. So again we need a timer, and select it as a timer 2 because already timer 1 has been selected. And on parameters, the spray machine has to run for 40 seconds. You select the machine for 40 seconds and bring the same timer in the feedback path. Select it as timer 2, and you can give the name as timer 2 here. Now after 40 seconds, our machine should be turned off. In order to turn off the machine, we should reset the timer 1. So bring one more timer here and select this as a reset. Now it is in trigger mode. Select in a reset mode. So this is all about connection. We should run the ladder diagram. So click on simulation on the left side and click on simulation and start it. Now in order to get the input, click on I inputs, and there is a push button here. Now I'll switch on the push button, and at the same time I'll take the display. This is timer 1 and timer 2. First the timer 1 will run for 25 seconds. After that paint spray machine will be turned on, and it will be turned on for 40 seconds. Till 40 seconds it will be in on condition. After that the timer the machine will be turned off. You just check the output. Now I'll go to the inputs and turn on the switch. See, it started counting. It will count up to 25 seconds. Now it is counting 21, 22, When it becomes 25, this output goes high and paint spray machine is also turned on, and machine will be turned on for 40 seconds. Now it is counting from 0 to 40 seconds. Now it is counting to 37. After 40 seconds, the machine will be automatically turned off. So this is all about how to turn on the paint spray machine for 40 seconds. This is the ladder diagram.